In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Calendar. Whether you're brand new to it or you've clicked around a little bit before, by the end, you'll know exactly how to create events, invite others, and customize your calendar so it works for you. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the main calendar view in the center, a small monthly calendar, and list of calendars on the left, and some options along the top. To create something new, look at the top left corner and click the Create button. This is your main starting point for adding anything to your calendar. When you click it, a menu appears where you can choose what type of entry you want. You'll see options like Event, Task, and Appointment Schedule. Events are for meetings, classes, or activities that happen at a specific time. Tasks are more like to-dos that you want to remember but might not involve other people. Appointment schedules are useful if you want others to book time with you, like office hours or client meetings. You can also create something directly from the calendar grid. Just move to the day you want, click on the time slot, and a small window will pop up. This is a quick way to add something without going through the main Create button. Next, give your event a clear title and set the time. The title should be something that makes sense at a glance, like team meeting or doctor appointment. You can click on the time to adjust the start and end, and you can turn on the all-day option if it doesn't have a specific time. In that same window, you can choose whether this is an event or a task. If it's something you're doing with others, keep it as an event. If it's a personal reminder like finish report, switch it to a task so it shows up differently and stays tied to your to-do list. Now make sure the date and time are correct. You can change the date by clicking on it and selecting from the calendar that appears. If you need to adjust the duration, change the end time so it matches how long the event will actually take. If other people need to be involved, you can add guests. There's a guests or participants section where you can type in their email addresses. You can also add Google Meet video conferencing with a single click, which is especially handy for remote meetings or calls. You're also able to add a location, such as a physical address or a meeting room. Below that, you'll see a space for a description or notes and the option to add attachments like documents or presentations people might need for the event. You can choose which calendar this event belongs to and set a color so it stands out visually. For example, you might use one color for work, another for personal events, and another for reminders. You'll also see options to mark yourself as free or busy during that time, adjust the visibility of the event, and add notifications. Notifications can be emails or on-screen alerts, and you can set them to remind you minutes, hours, or days before the event. When everything looks right, click Save. Your event now appears on the calendar. On the left side under My Calendars, you'll see a list of all your calendars. From here, you can create a new calendar for specific areas of your life, like work, family, or a hobby, and toggle them on or off to control what you see. Finally, at the top right of the main view, you can switch between different calendar views like day, week, month, or schedule. Choose the view that makes it easiest for you to see and manage your time.